Welcome to an exploration of how generative AI is creating a revolution in education, specifically for students in rural areas. We're diving into the transformative power of AI tools and how they are enabling personalized learning experiences, closing critical educational gaps. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to Abdul Hadi AI World, and share it with those who might benefit from this information. Rural students often face significant challenges in accessing quality education due to limited resources, teacher shortages, and less diverse curriculum offerings. Generative AI is emerging as a powerful solution, capable of creating unique content and personalized learning paths to address these disparities head-on. Let's look at the core benefit: the power of true personalization in education. Generative AI can analyze each student's performance data, instantly tailoring the curriculum to their specific knowledge gaps and strengths. This ensures that whether a student is a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner, the material is presented in a way that maximizes comprehension and retention. AI also plays a critical role in overcoming the typical resource constraints found in rural school districts. With generative AI, students gain access to an, quote, always-on tutoring system, providing academic support whenever they need it, compensating for limited teacher availability. Furthermore, AI can create learning materials that are localized and culturally relevant, making abstract concepts more relatable and engaging for rural students. Let's explore some tangible examples of generative AI tools in action. AI can generate personalized study guides summarizing key concepts and create endless interactive practice problems tailored to areas where a student is struggling. These tools offer immediate feedback on assignments, allowing students to learn from mistakes instantly, and teachers can track progress in real time. What is the measurable impact of these AI-driven solutions? The personalized attention significantly boosts student engagement and academic confidence, turning passive learners into active participants. Ultimately, generative AI is successfully helping to bridge the significant educational gap that has long existed between rural and urban schools. In conclusion, generative AI is reshaping the landscape of education. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread awareness about the power of AI in education. Generative AI is proving to be a revolutionary force, ensuring that geography is no longer a barrier to receiving a high-quality, personalized education. The future is bright, promising accessible and high-quality learning opportunities for every student, regardless of where they live.